Question number 31. What is the first one? 1.2 square. This one we written 1.44 multiplied by 1.5 cube. This one we written 3.375 divided by 0.72. Exactly how many times? 2 times. 3 into 3.75. It becomes 6.75. Next question number 32. First priority left hand side 22% of 560. Okay. What is the 20%? 1, 1, 2. What is the 2%? 11.2. Okay. 53 plus 11. 64. 64 plus 112. 176.4 divided by which one? 420 multiplied by 100. Okay. 1764. It is 42 square. Denominator already 42. Definitely answer is 42. Because in numerator 1 decimal, denominator 1 0, and multiplied by 100 means 2 zeros are get cancelled. But the answer 42 how many times? 42. It's 33. Continuation division. This one we written 5187 divided by 19 into 91. First 91. 5 times how much? 455. What is the remaining? 45 plus 18, 63 means 637. 637 means almost 7 times. 57 means almost 3 times. What is the answer? 3. Next question number. R verify the units position. What is the denominator? 9 into 1. In denominator we are getting 9. Numerator 7. Answer should end with 3. How many options? Only 1. Next question number 34. And all are given in mixed fractions. Okay. First 18 1 by 5 and plus 2 4 by 5. 18 plus 2 how much? 20. Next 1 by 5 minus which one? 1 by 5 plus 4 by 5. Total it is 5 by 5 means 1. 20 plus 1, 21. Again we are taken middle two values. 2 3 by 5 means 13 by 5. 4 1 by 2 means 9 by 2. Any cancellations? No. 13 into 9, 117 by 10. This one we written 10 times. 10 times or 11 times? 11 times. What is the remaining? 7 by 10. 11 7 by 10. It is subtracted from which one? 21. What is the remaining? 10 7 by 21 minus 11. How much? 10. But here negative 7 by 10 means overall we are getting 9 3 by 10. 9 3 by 10. Which option? Fourth option. Because it is negative 7 by 10 or positive 7 by 10? Negative. Negative converted to positive, we are getting positive 3 by 10. Next question number 35. 28% of 388 minus 22% of 368. In 28% of 388, what is the end value? 4. 22% of 368, end value 6. Okay. 14 minus 6, end with 8. How many options? Only 1. Next question number 36. 12 square. 12 square means written 144. It is also written as 36 into 9. Sorry, 36 into 4 into square root of 576. 24 equal to something power 7 into which one? 27. 9 how many times? 4. 9 how many times? 3 times. 3 again here. 8 times. Okay. 4 into 4 means it is 2 power 4. 8 means it is 2 power 3. Overall it is 2 power 7. That is equal to something power 7 means something equal to 2. Next question number 37. 1296 power 1 by 2. That is written as 36 into 6 cube means it is 216. Again 216 power 1 by 3. 6 by 6 square means 36 sir. 36 36 cancel. 216 already power 3. Here 6 power 1. Overall it is 6 power 4. What is the answer? 4. Next 38. Again verify the units portion. Question number 38. Verify the units portion. First one 4 into 2. 8. End with 8. Next 6 into 2. 12. End with 2. 8 plus 2. What is the right hand side value? Positive. It will become negative. Minus 7 error. Okay. 8 plus 2. 10. Minus 7 means 3. Answer should end with 3. How many options? Only one error. Next question number 39. 134 into 28 divided by 67. 67 exactly 2 times or not? 2 into 28. 56 into which one? 21 or not? Answer should end with 6. How many options? 3 options are in that 976 definitely not possible or not? Because it is more than 112 or less than 112. More than 112. 56 2 times means 1120. 56 1 time means 56. What is the total answer? 1176. Next 40. Question number 40. First of all, left hand side numerator 3 into 7, 21. Denominator 21 canceller. 5 into 24, 120. 20 how many times? 6 times. Left hand side denominator 6, it will become right hand side into 6. 243 into 6, end with 8. How many options? 2 options are 6 into 24, 1440. 6 3 the 18. What is the total answer? 1458. Next 49. Difference between compound interest and simple interest at the same rate of interest for a period of how many years? 2 years. And an amount of 55,000 is how many rupees? 792. What is the rate of interest % per annum? Difference between compound interest and simple interest are given. What is the difference value? 792. It is calculated on principal 55,000. It is multiplied by which one? 10,000 equal to which one? R square. We know the difference, we know the principal. Then directly we written D by P into 10,000. Actually R percent means R by 100 into R by 100. Means 100 into 100 means 10,000. Okay. 55,000 and 10,000. 5,000 how many times? 11 times. 5,000 2 times. 11 how many times? 7. Again 200. 72 2 the 144. Then R equal to how much? 12%. Already we know basic 2 years difference formula. R percent of principal. That is equal to difference in 2 years. This one I written directly D by P into percent means 10,000 equal to which one? R square. Next question number 42. Present age of Akash and Ash are in which ratio? 9:11. After 5 years, the ratio of their ages at that time will be how much? 5:6. What was the Akash age 1 year ago? What is the present ratio? 9:11. Present how many parts are difference? 2 parts. Means future also difference must be 2 parts or not. What is the future ratio? 5:6. It is converted to 2 times or not? 2 into 5, 10. 2 into 6, 12. It is after 5 years ratio. Okay. We know the present and we know the future. Each one how many parts are increased? 1 part. 1 part equal to 5 years. We required Akash age 1 year ago. Akash means first one. 1 part 5 years. 9 parts are 45. 1 year back means 44. Next 43. Mr. Ajay distributed his retirement funds among his wife, himself and 2 children. 25% of the amount he had was given to his wife. Means wife received how much percent? 25%. What is the remaining? 75. But here clearly mentioned and he kept 35% for himself, not in remaining. 35% for himself means himself how many rupees? 35%. 25 plus 35, 60. 60 completed. What is the remaining? 40%. That is the distributed. He gave to the son and daughter in the ratio of 5:3. Total how many parts? 8 parts. 8 parts are equal to 40. Every one part 5%. And here son means how many parts? 5 parts. 5 parts means son is received 25%, daughter received 15%. In place of 25% and condition is given, son got 52,000 more than the daughter. What is the difference? 10%. That is equal to 52,000. But required Mr. Ajay retirement funder means how much person we need? 100%. What is the answer? 5 lakhs 20,000. Without writing all this one. 30, 30, 25, 35, 60 completed. What is the remaining? 40. That is split into 5:3. How many parts are difference? 2 parts. 8 parts equal to 40. Then 2 parts are 10%. 10% is 52. But we required 100. How many times? 10 times, sir. Next question number 44. Raju purchased an item for 4,500 and sold it at the gain of 15%. From that amount, he purchased another item and sold it at the loss of 10%. What is the overall gain or loss percent? Okay. One case he getting profit, another case he getting loss. Successive increased and decreased. Then apply the A plus B plus AB by 100. What is the A value? 15. B value? Minus 10. Plus 15 into minus 10 by 100. We are getting the percentage. If you are getting profit, then we return profit value. If you are getting loss, we return loss value. 15 minus 10 how much? 5. 15 into 10 means 150. By 10 means 1.5. 15 minus 1.5. Sorry. 5 minus 1.5. What is the remaining? 3.5. 3.5% gain or loss? Gain. What is the initial value? 4,500. In that how much percent or gain is received? 3.5. If you required percentage, what is the answer we written? 3.5. But your question is, what is the overall gain or loss in terms of rupees, sir? Okay. Then we required 3.5% of how many rupees? 4,500. What is the 1%? 45. 3%? 135. Again we required 0.5. Okay. 0.5 means 22.5. 135 plus 22.5. 157.5. 157.5. What the answer? 157.50. Gain or loss? Gain. Next question number 45. A man can row downstream at 21 km per hour and upstream at 15 km per hour. What is the speed of the stream? We required speed of the stream. I think direct question. What is the downstream speed? 21. Upstream speed 15. But the required speed of the stream means S value or M value? S value. Adding by 2 or subtracting by 2? Subtracting by 2. 21 and 15 difference 6. By 2 means 3. 46. Question number 46. If the average of 4 consecutive even numbers is how much? 51. 4 consecutive even numbers average are 51 means that 51 are equal to which one? Average of middle two numbers are in between value of second and third. What is the in between value? 51. Then second number is 50. Next number 52. Next number 54. What is the previous one? 48. What is the question here? Product of the largest and smallest. What is the largest? 54. Smallest 48. Compared to 51, 48 3 lesser. Compared to 51, 54 3 more. This one we return 51 square minus 3 square. A minus B into A plus B. A minus B means 48. A plus B means 54. We required which one product? 48 into 54. 48 into 54. 48 into 54 means 48 means we return 51 minus 3. 54 means we return 51 plus 3 means A square minus B square formatter. What is the 51 square? 2601. 3 square 9. What is the difference? 25 92. Next question number 47. Diagonals of your two squares A and B are 16 and 24 meters respectively. What is the area of the square A to the area of a square B? What is the diagonals ratio? 16 is to 24. Already we know concept. Square diagonals are A is to B. Sides also A is to B. Areas are A square is to B square. Perimeters are A is to B. If diagonals are A is to B, sides also A is to B, but areas are A square is to B square and perimeters also A is to B. What is the diagonals ratio? 16 and 24 means what is the ratio? 2 is to 3. Diagonals 2 is to 3 means areas are 4 is to 9. Perimeters. Suppose if we required perimeter ratio, what is the answer? 2 is to 3. Sides also 2 is to 3. But areas 4 is to 9. When perimeters are A is to B means areas are A square is to B square. Next question number 48. Strength of the companies A and B are in the ratio of which one? 4 is to 5. If the population of company A is increased by 15% and that of company B is increased by 22%. And what will be the new ratio of the strength of two companies or only one? Two companies. What is the company A initial value? 4 parts. Company B initial value 5 parts. But company A is increased by 15%. Means after increased 5% of 4 parts are. Next, company B initial value 5 parts. In that 5 parts, how much percent are increased? 22%. Then we return 122% of how many parts? 5 parts are. That those two are in after increase or before increase? After increase. Then it will become new ratio or old ratio? New ratio. Simply we are consider what is the original fraction? 4 by 5. Numerator 4 parts. Denominator 5 parts. Numerator is increased by 15%. Denominator is increased by 22%. Then we are get the new fractional. Okay. 115. 5 how many times? 23. Means left hand side value must be, means numerator value must be 23 multiple. How many options? Only one. Next question number 49. Train A. Question number 49. Train A whose length is how much? 490 meters can crosses a 563 meters long platform in 9 seconds. In what time would it be possible for train B to cross the same platform of its speed 7 by 9th of the speed of the train A? And here, what is the question here? Train A passes a which one? Platform. When a train passes a platform means what is the total distance? Train length plus platform length. What is the train length is given? 490. Platform length 563. First we written concept. Train length plus platform length by time equal to speed of the train here. Okay. In this one we know the train length, platform length, time also given. Then we are get the which one? Speed of the train A. We are get the speed of the train A. And what is the second point? In what time would it be possible for train B to cross the same platform or a different platform? Same platform. Means second train passes the same platform. Second train length we are consider LB or not. It is passes a platform means written LB plus platform length in how many seconds? T seconds. That is equal to speed of the train B. Okay. In first one already we know speed of the train here. What is the second point here? If its speed is 7 by 9th of the speed of the train A. Means already we know the speed of the train A. Then we are get the speed of the train B. Means this one is given or not given? Yes. Next, platform length also given or not? How many unknowns are there? 2 unknowns are. What is the answer? Cannot be determined. Because we don't know the length of the train B or not. If it is train B length also given, we are get the time value or not. But here how many unknowns are there? 2 unknowns are. The answer cannot be determined. Step 50. A and B are partners in a business. A invested 28,800 for 10 months and B invested 36,000 for 12 months. If the annual profit was 41,310, what was the A sharer? First, A investment 28,800, B investment 36,000. Okay. What is the difference between 288 and 360? 72. Sir, no. 72 how many times? 288. 4 times. Next 360. 5 times, sir. That is investment ratio. A invested 10 months, B invested 12 months. What is the time ratio? 5:6. We know the investment and we know the time. Obviously, we are get the profits ratio. 4:6 means 2:3. Means profits are distributed 2:3. Total how many parts? 5 parts. 5 parts are given 41,310. But we required A share. How many parts we need? 2 parts are 41,310. It is a 9 multiple. Yes or no? How many options? It should be end with 0 or not? End with 4 or 0? 5 becomes 0 means it is multiplied by 2 or not? 5 2s are how much? 5 2s are 10 means product how many times? 2 times. 2 into 2 means answer should end with 4. How many options are end with 4? 3 options. In the 3 options, which one is 9 multiple? First option is 9 multiple. Yes. Fourth option. Yes or no? 9 cancel. 5 plus 4, 9 cancel. Or the remaining 7. It is not divisible by 9. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9 cancel. 6 plus 2, 8. It is not divisible by 9. What is the answer? Only first one. 16,524.